Do a cold start video here on the supercharged 66 Mustang 302 motor. Originally T-code. There's the VIN for you. So it's a 6-cylinder car, and they put a 302 in it. I looked up the codes and it's a 74 supercharged, as I mentioned, but it runs beautifully. 55 on the intake. It's got headers on it. 54 there. Water pump 54. We'll fire it up.